The downrange area is clear. Competitors, this is stage 2 from the 25-yard line, kneeling to prone, with 2 magazines of 5 rounds each in a time limit of 45 seconds. On the command of fire, shooters will draw a pistol, assume a kneeling position, and engage target 3 with 5 rounds. Reload, assume the prone position, transition to target 4, and engage target 4 with 5 rounds. On the firing line, unholster, load, action, decock, safety, and holster. Stand by. Fire. On the firing line, unholster, load, action, decock, safety, and holster. Stand by. Fire. Unholster, load, action, decock, safety, and holster. Stand by. Fire. With 5 rounds. On the firing line, unholster, load, action, decock, safety, and holster. Stand by. Fire. Cease fire. Magazines out, slides back, unload, show clear. Once you've been cleared by range safety, you may holster. This
I can't believe this stuff is all over.
Stand by. Fire. Cease fire. Unholster, load, action, decock, safety, and holster.